guys, welcome to East Indian channel. It's zucchini season and in this recipe video I'm going to show you how to make zucchini chutney with some flavorful and exciting recipe that can be paired with any kind of meal. So let's head in the kitchen and start cooking. Here I have one beautiful yellow zucchini from farmer's market. We are going to wash it and remove the stem part, and you can see that it has a thick skin. Leave the skin on and chop it up. In this recipe, we are going to use the skin as well. The other ingredients you will need are 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cumin and mustard seeds, turmeric, salt, honey 2 tablespoons, tamarind juice 1/4 cup, and dried red chilli and 10 to 12 curry leaves dried as well. 2 tablespoons of oil for cooking. We are using avocado oil. You can use canola as well. So heat the oil in the pan. Once it's hot enough, add all your spices, cumin, mustard, curry leaves and dried red chilies. Give them about 30 seconds and then add your onions, ginger and garlic chopped. Mix them well with the oil and then add salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon here and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir it in with the onions and then saute your onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once they are a little soft and tender, go ahead and add your zucchini pieces in. Mix zucchini well with all these spices and then we are going to cover it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's soft, go ahead and add your tamarind juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. And we are going to mix these ingredients in with the zucchini as well. And then turn off the heat and let everything cool down. Once it's cool enough, go ahead and transfer all these ingredients in a blending jar and we are going to give it a quick swirl. We are going to blend everything together to have a nice smooth chutney. You can see the consistency. We didn't need to add any extra water. So your zucchini chutney is ready. So flavorful. It has a right amount of heat, touch of sweetness, tanginess, goes well with variety of Indian dishes. So give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out for you. Thank you for watching.